Have you ever paused to consider the potential benefits of aromatherapy or essential oils for health and wellness? Aromatherapy, a practice as ancient as civilization itself, has been soothing minds and bodies for centuries. It's an art and science that utilizes naturally extracted aromatic essences from plants to harmonize, balance, and promote health for our body, mind, and spirit. Essential oils, the lifeblood of plants, are at the heart of aromatherapy. These potent oils, distilled from various parts of plants, carry the essence of the plant's healing properties. From the sweet scent of lavender to the invigorating aroma of peppermint, each essential oil has its own unique therapeutic benefits. This video will take you on a journey through the world of aromatherapy. We'll delve into the science behind it, explore the myriad of health benefits it offers, and provide guidance on how to utilize these essential oils safely and effectively. Now let's uncover the health benefits of aromatherapy and essential oils. To appreciate the benefits of aromatherapy, we need to first understand the science behind it. At its core, aromatherapy harnesses our sense of smell, one of our most potent senses. It's often said that smell is the sense most closely linked to memory and emotion. This is because our olfactory system, the part of the brain that processes smell, is directly connected to the limbic system, an area that governs emotion and memory. When we inhale an aroma, the scent molecules enter our nose and are recognized by the olfactory receptors. These receptors then send signals to our brain, particularly to the limbic system. Now, what makes the limbic system so special? Well, it's essentially the control center for our emotions and influences our nervous system and hormones. This means that the scents we inhale can have a direct impact on many aspects of our physiology, from our mood to our stress levels, and even our heart rate and blood pressure. So how do essential oils fit into this? Essential oils are the very essence of a plant's fragrance, and each oil has a unique chemical composition that can have different effects on our bodies. When we inhale these oils during aromatherapy, their scent molecules interact with our olfactory system, triggering a response in the limbic system. For example, the scent of lavender is known for its calming effect. When inhaled, the scent molecules from lavender oil interact with the brain to induce feelings of relaxation and help reduce anxiety. On the other hand, citrus scents like lemon or orange are known for their invigorating properties. They can trigger a response that stimulates the production of serotonin, a hormone that boosts mood and promotes a sense of well-being. It's fascinating, isn't it? The mere act of inhaling a particular scent can trigger such profound physiological responses. This is essentially how aromatherapy works. By using different essential oils, we can stimulate different responses in our bodies, helping to balance our emotions, relieve stress, and promote overall well-being. That's the power of scent. Now on to how this can benefit your health. So how does aromatherapy translate into health benefits? Well, let's dive right into it. Aromatherapy with its essential oils is like a Swiss Army knife for health and wellness. It's packed with a variety of benefits, each linked to the unique properties of the essential oils used. Firstly, aromatherapy is a stress buster. In today's fast-paced world, stress is an unwelcome guest in many of our lives. Lavender essential oil, with its soothing scent, is a popular choice for stress relief. It's like a gentle, calming whisper that tells your mind, hey, it's time to relax. Next, let's talk about sleep, our nightly escape to recharge. Chamomile essential oil is often used for its sleep-enhancing properties. Just like a lullaby, the sweet aroma of chamomile can help usher in a peaceful slumber. Now on to mood enhancement. Ever noticed how certain smells can make you feel instantly happier? That's aromatherapy at work. Citrus oils like orange or lemon are often used to uplift mood. Their bright, cheery scents are like a burst of sunshine on a cloudy day. Pain management is another area where aromatherapy shows promise. For instance, peppermint essential oil is known for its analgesic properties. It's like a cool, soothing balm that can help ease headaches and muscle aches. Lastly, let's touch on respiratory disinfection. Eucalyptus essential oil is a popular choice for this. Its crisp, clean scent feels like a breath of fresh air, helping to clear your airways and ward off respiratory infections. But remember, these are just a handful of examples. The world of essential oils is vast and varied, each with its own unique benefits. Whether you're looking for relaxation, a mood boost, pain relief, or respiratory health, there's likely an essential oil that can help. It's also important to note that while aromatherapy can be a powerful tool for health and wellness, it's not a cure-all. It's best used as a complement to a healthy lifestyle and, when necessary, traditional medical treatment. As we can see, aromatherapy offers a natural, non-invasive way to support our health and well-being. It's like having a personal wellness toolkit right at your fingertips, a toolkit that's as diverse and vibrant as nature itself. While aromatherapy can be beneficial, it's important to know how to use essential oils safely. Just as with any potent substance, essential oils should be used with care. One of the first rules of thumb is to never apply essential oils directly to the skin without diluting them first. Essential oils are highly concentrated and can cause irritation or even burns if not properly diluted. A good way to safely dilute an essential oil is by mixing it with a carrier oil such as jojoba or sweet almond oil. This can help to prevent adverse skin reactions. Speaking of which, always conduct a patch test prior to full application. This helps you to determine if you have any sensitivity or allergic reactions to the oil. Lastly, it's crucial to invest in high-quality oils. Low-grade oils may contain impurities or additives that can lead to unwanted side effects. Remember, the key to reaping the benefits of aromatherapy is to use essential oils safely and responsibly. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about aromatherapy. We dove into the essence of aromatherapy, unraveling its aromatic allure. We explored the science behind it, understanding how it engages our senses to promote wellness. We studied its potential health benefits, from stress relief to pain management, and even improved sleep. Plus, we learned the do's and don'ts of using essential oils safely. That's all for today. We hope you enjoyed learning about the wonderful world of aromatherapy. Stay healthy and happy.